Inspiration. It can come from anywhere, and in the case of the Ruger Crack Shot Everyday Folder, it came from the classic checkering of the Ruger American Rifle, as executed by the knife-savvy folks at Columbia River Knife and Tool. The goal of knife designer Ken Steigerwalt was to build something better than anything he'd built before, and he clearly hit the mark. His first inspiration was that remarkably tactile checkering applied to the Crack Shot's reinforced nylon handles. Unfold the blade, and you'll discover Ken's second inspiration, a stonewashed drop-point thing of beauty. Ken's next big inspiration was the inclusion of the Outburst assisted blade opener, working in unison with CRKT's reliable fire-safe safety. The Crack Shot is a study in balance, and fine contours, and ergonomics, and of course, precision, all of which deliver a classic knife experience.